Everyone, it's Sierra with the Crawford team. I'm here today to do a video walkthrough of one of our great, centrally located St. Pete listings. Hopefully these crazy birds don't drown me out behind you. If you take a moment to look around, you can see we are standing on 45th Street North. It's a few blocks up from 9th Avenue North. So not only is this a fantastic location, but we are also located in a non-flood zone. Now, if you take a look behind me at the home itself, you can see it's a beautiful concrete block house. It's got some great wood accents in the front for curb appeal and a very large U-shaped driveway. Now, come on, let's go take a look inside. So when you first walk in, you're going to see that it has great vaulted ceilings, but also the kitchen is really the highlight of this home. It's definitely a chef's kitchen. You'll see it's a little elevated, so as you come up, you feel like you're on stage. As well, you've got the pot filler, built-in exhaust, ample cabinets throughout. You can see the counters stretching excuse me, along the length here too. Another great entertainment resource. To my right, you'll see we have our 2 guest bedrooms and bath. If you follow me this way. You can see they've done a great garage conversion to make a large laundry room. It's got some great climate-controlled storage. The AC pumps in here. And you'll see there is a little bit of garage left. It's called a golf cart garage. It's either enough for your storage or a golf cart, motorcycle. And we'll walk back out. The family room, we go into our oversized master. You can see we've really got some great space here. We have a few of these built-ins throughout the house for all your art buffs. It's a great place to showcase all the masterpieces you've collected. We have a walk-in closet over here, 2 French doors to the outside, and our large ensuite bath in here. This is kind of another highlight of the house. We've got our garden tub, perfect for soaking and relaxing. It's got jacuzzi jets. Great way to end the day. Okay, and we'll just take a step outside. Again, we've got some great space for entertaining. There's a perfect amount of room if you want to put in a pool. We've already got the deck built over here, barbecue ready to go, and more birds. That's it. Thank you so much for doing this walkthrough with us. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.